Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share with you this wonderful pet water fountain from AOOGITF. Now, I primarily use this water fountain for my dog, but my cat will also use it too at night. This fountain really gives me peace of mind because it's continuously filtering through the carbon filter. It has a 72-ounce capacity. For my 65-pound dog, that usually means I refill it every 2 to 3 days. It'll probably vary for the size of your pet or how many pets you have. The design with the spout and the small opening into the filter keeps dirt and bugs out of the water, which was a concern for me before using this water fountain. My cat also likes to use the spout, and I also enjoy that it is stainless steel and that will avoid corrosion. If you're looking for a continuous pet water fountain, which I really do recommend to keep the water fresh, then I recommend this water fountain. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.